So, hi.
Hi.
How you been?
Good, thank you.
Look at that.
Actually, not great, but
Black and white.
yeah, thank you.
Black and white. Oh.
I'm not doing that.
I'll fix it with a color grading. Post production. Yeah.
Put a bit of orange on me. Tan
Never
me.
try to put tan on somebody in
Until
the video
today.
editing.
Until now. I look pasty.
That's something new I can learn. Anyway, hi. How you doing, guys? Say hi.
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 Yeah, be nice.
Sorry.
Come on. It's all. Oh. we gotta work on this. How you doing, guys? I hope you're doing well. I know last week I was alone doing the perfect surf of gin, so if you missed that, make sure you watch it, because probably you've been drinking your gin till now the wrong way.
Wrong.
Probably. Most likely. Most definitely. Or whatever. Anyway, today we are back, both of us, and today we're doing 3 easy rum cocktails. Yeah?
Yeah.
3. Why we keep doing
I don't
4,
know.
5,
I don't
3?
know. Like, they don't know what the number 3 is.
No, but I'm just saying, every time we do a few cocktails. Is that good for you?
Yeah.
I mean, I hope it's good for you, because we can split in 3 different videos, but why not just do in one?
All in one.
Yeah, so, summer is nearly over. I changed my skin. Somebody else didn't,
Someone
but it's
worked,
fine.
But
However, I'm still thinking it's kind of we have enough time to enjoy some wonderful, easy to make cocktails, and why not with rum, the perfect drink for the summer. So today we have 3 recipes for you, very easy to go, very easy to make, and as we say, if you're ready for what?
so shaking, sipping.
No.
No.
Shaking, stirring, and sipping.
Then sipping. Yeah.
Exactly. Stay with us, because we're coming
Watch
back
the
with the
video.
first cocktail, which is called Caribeño.
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 Caribeño. So we're gonna do first one of the cocktails, very easy, and this is called Caribeño.
Caribeño.
Caribeño. Anyway, Niv's gonna do this cocktail for you. I'm just gonna watch on the side and just, just give us some space. So take it over.
So for the Caribeño, you will need to grab your shaker, and we're going to start with a light rum. Do 60 mils. And then we're going to use 90 millilitres of the coconut water. There we go. 90 millilitres of the coconut water. 15 lime juice. And you will also, and also 5 mils, so just a bar spoon of just normal sugar syrup. Straight in the shaker. So now we fill our shaker up with ice. Try not to drop it this way. Lots of ice, and give it a good shake. There we go, so we're going to use this glass today. Again, fill the glass with ice.
You can serve in a highball as well, guys, just so you know. But we kind of a fancy of this glass, so we decided to use that one.
Now we strain. So for garnish today, just use a simple lime wedge. Just like that. And a straw.
Wonderful.
Spill it over the side, but
Oh, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I'm gonna have a little sip. Ooh, wonderful. It's very light. It's extremely light. It's like basically you drink coconut water with a little bit of kick from the rum. But hey, that's what you want in the summer. Sorry, I'm staying in front of you. I'm just gonna get this little coaster, put that cocktail on the side, and what I'm doing?
your turn.
My turn. For the Salty Bird, it's based on a light rum again. You have a little bit of Campari inside, you have a little bit of bitters, you have a lovely pineapple juice, so it's kind of a refreshing summer drink. And we're gonna start with our white rum again. Use your favorite white rum. So 45 ml or 1.5 ounces of the white rum. Then the equal amount of the pineapple juice. 45 ml or 1.5 ounces. So next one, the original recipe says 7.5, but we're gonna use 15 ml of sugar syrup. Right, next ingredient, 25, or you can drop an ounce, but 25 ml of the Campari, which is gonna bring a little bitterness to the cocktail. And finally we have lime juice, which is half an ounce, 15 ml. Introduce some citrus to it. And this is it, now filling up with ice. Now the cocktail also requires a saline solution, but we decide not to go with the saline solution because it's nice to have it prepped, but obviously I'm not ready, which is kind of my signature. So all I'm gonna do is just a pinch of salt I'm gonna put on top of the ice. When we shake, it's gonna mix up inside and it'll be absolutely perfect, okay? Give it a good shake and we're gonna serve up. Alright, so don't shake too much, 10-12 seconds max, you'll be okay. Grab your highball or whatever glass you desire, to be honest, as far it's not too big. And fill it up with ice. My ice is going everywhere, but not in the glass, as usual. Okay. No double strain here, you don't have to. Just strain your cocktail. And final touch, we're gonna garnish with fresh pineapple. Just like this on the side. And of course a straw. So, I'm gonna grab a lovely white straw here. And Nif, you can have a sip if you want.
Thank you.
Come on, let's see how it is.
Cheers.
Good that one, isn't it?
That's really good. That's really good.
But that salt actually makes it so tasty.
Makes me want to drink more.
Yeah, because of the salt you want to drink a little bit more, but then you have the bitterness from the Campari coming on the end with a lovely, like, fresh pineapple. Rum, it's totally gone. I don't feel any rum.
No.
I think that's the idea, just to enjoy a drink. A few, 3, 4, and then fell asleep. I mean, I don't know. Right, this can go on the side, and we're gonna do our last one. But first of all, I'm gonna crush some ice, get ready for the cocktail, and we'll be back just in a second. Alright, boys and girls, so last cocktail is the green Swizzle, and we're not swizzling it. Swizzle, mizzle. I don't have a Swizzle, and I don't use one, so you don't have to, okay? You can just use your bar spoon and like you're making mojito. It's not a big deal, or you can shake the cocktail, whatever you decide. We're gonna shake it today just because we want to dilute a little bit and cool it down, because it's served on a crushed ice, so you don't want the crushed ice to go water, are we? She's not speaking again. So hard. Shaker. So we'll start with the 45 ml of the white rum, and then you can get ready on the next one, which is what we're having.
So it's 10 mils of Overproof.
Overproof. Ooh. Right.
5 mils of
5 mils of what?
Absinthe.
Oh, you do 5 mils of absinthe, so it's a bar spoon. The easiest way. There you go. Oh, that's a bit more. We're gonna get drunk. That's fine. You've not seen that. You've not seen. I love it.
I had one job.
I know. One job.
You're not driving home after drinking this one.
No, I hope you know. I mean, I don't know. Right, Falernum.
Oops.
So, 25 ml, or maybe in your case you can go with ounce. Then we have what we have, lime
5
juice.
5 mil of 15 lime.
15 lime, which is half an ounce. And
you can do this one. 5 mils of.
now, absolutely, it's up to you. You don't have to use it. I've made this cocktail without the green mint, and it's equally fantastic. Okay, but if you want to use the green mint, it's fine. It's just 5 ml or a bar spoon, like that bar spoon, no Nif bar spoon.
An actual bar spoon.
Right. Because it's a Swizzle, you can squeeze it like with lots of crushed ice, and obviously it's gonna dilute and it's gonna introduce water. we're gonna do a little bit different. So we're gonna just give it a quick shake, very brief, like a very brief shake, not too much ice. There you go.
Thank you.
Right, put a little bit crushed ice in your glass. Give it a, pour the whole cocktail inside. So, here we go. I know it's a weird strainer, this one, but I'm trying to get used to it because it's combined with a strainer and a fine strainer, so it's quite weird to pour. But there you go, lovely green. Now we're gonna add a little bit more. Funny enough, yesterday I cut all my mint in the garden, so it's gone in the bin. If you still have mint, you can garnish it with the mint, okay? But there you go, we're gonna do like a swizzle. You can still do it with a bar spoon. So this is gonna dilute the ice a little bit more. Beautiful. And what we're doing, lime wedge.
Lime wedge to garnish. Yeah. And a straw?
Well, I don't think my straw is long enough for this glass. Oh, it could be. Oh, no. You can pour it like that. And this, my friends, is the green swizzle, isn't it?
Swizzle.
Ooh, I'm ready for it. Oh, that's so good.
Bit nervous.
I think that's the best. No, just have a sip. Oh, I know you're driving, but come on, you're not drinking the whole thing. That is just...
Ooh!
That is so good. Ooh! You can always top up with some ice if you want. I will just do it with a bar spoon, so we can take a nice picture for our thumbnail. And this is it, guys, from us this week. I hope you enjoyed. Go do some nice light rum cocktails. It's nice though, isn't it? So we have the green swizzle, we have the salty bird, and we have the one which I can't pronounce.
Caribeño.
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 Apparently both of us can pronounce. So don't forget, our merch is still available on the website. Now Nif, she joined the club of the Skulls. Oh, one for Tim, our friend Tim. Roger's still here, bro. Okay, you see? I'll put it on the pictures for you, just especially this time. If you don't know, if you're new to the channel, that's Roger. It started with me when I started the channel, and we have a little inside joke with a few of my followers, and Tim, he's a big fan of Roger, so it's asked me where it is. It's not gone anywhere, it's not been on holiday, it's here, still back here. So yeah, don't forget the merch, it's available. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, like, share, and yeah.
Comment.
I think we're gonna go get drunk.
Enjoy.
Yeah. We're gonna go get drunk, are we?
Yeah. Wasted.
See you next time. Alright? Bye bye.
Goodbye.
So my lovely friends, if you're ready for some more shakes, stirs and sips, we're gonna do sips. Sips. We're gonna do another one. Come on, you can do that.
Sips.
No, just get more like a... Alright.
Sorry, need a minute. So the that's 60, isn't it?
Yes.
And then
not to the top, it's 75.
Okay, that is right. You're right.
I think
to the
it's
line.
The first line, it's 60.
So 60 is the first line, and then
90. Obviously, you need to do
60 plus 30.
Yeah.
90 coconut water. Okay.